Looking for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert installation, testing, maintenance, and repairs to ensure your water system stays safe and compliant. Our certified technicians help homes and businesses in Ardrossan prevent cross-contamination and meet local water safety regulations. Whether you need routine testing or urgent repairs, we offer fast, reliable service to keep your system running smoothly. With over 10 years of experience, we're the trusted choice for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Ardrossan. Don't wait until water contamination becomes a problem. Trust Kingstree Plumbing to keep your water supply protected. Call 780 695 2792 or book online today for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Ardrossan.